Hi, my name is Mahmood Hussein. I'm the founder of Global Drone Solutions. I'm honored to be one of the judges for Airwards this year. Airwards promotes positive use of drones globally and is an initiative that I'm proud to support. The entrants and the projects that we have seen this year have been incredible, and it's been a privilege to award some of these winners. It is my pleasure to announce the winner of the Media, Events and Creative category, which is Mirragin for their Elevate Sydney Drone Sky Show. Well done, Mirragin.
Sue Osborne, I'm the Chief Remote Pilot for Mirragin Consulting, who delivered the Drone Light Show as part of Elevate Sydney in January this year. Mirragin's a Brisbane-based consulting company. We help organisations implement drone, robotic and AI programs. On behalf of Mirragin, I'd like to say a huge thank you for selecting us as the winner of the Media, Events and Creative category of the Airwards. Mirragin's specialising in drone light shows in the premium scale that showcase your story through technology in an inventive and authentic way that really resonates with the entire community. So again, on behalf of Mirragin, thank you so much for selecting us for this award and helping drone light shows gain recognition to the future in entertainment in the sky.